Hey everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. It is Saturday, April 23rd at 2:05 in the morning. And this is viewer requests for the week of April 25th, 2011. Remember, if you have any stocks, currencies, indexes, sectors you want me to look over, feel free to send me an email and I will put them on the list and analyze them for the upcoming week. Now remember, I'm not giving entries and stuff like that on these. It's not the stock watch list. It is just opinions based on what I see in the chart. Well, I mean, all the videos are really like that, but for the watch list, I give entries and we manage it as if the video was actually trading it. So, okay, so let's look at pot. Now, pot held the 62% retracement of this swing, and now it's into the 50% retracement of this swing. So you have 59.06 is the 62% retracement, then 60.27 is the 78.6% retracement. If we've started a move down, we should hold right in this zone from where we closed on Thursday, the 21st, up until this zone. If we bust through it, we are more than likely going to test and probably break that high. So that is pot. A123, right? It's A123 Systems, yes. Okay. This one, for some reason, I got a couple requests on, I don't know why, but nice downtrend in this one, and then we had the bounce of the gap on Monday, rather. Now it's in a consolidation just under the 20-period exponential moving average. If it breaks above that, we have the 50-day up here, and we also have a gap, and right now they're converging, but as time passes, these moving averages will continue to come down. But watch that resistance area right there. And, of course, if it falls down out of this, well, then there's no reason to look at it from the long side unless it maybe double bottoms or something. So that's what I'm seeing at A1. If it breaks this consolidation, and you have to put your own entry on it, whatever you want to do, use the moving average, use converging lines, watch the 50-day and watch that gap. Okay, BSX is real sloppy. I don't really see anything here. Caterpillar, this seems to be one of the more popular stocks on the request list almost every week. I think actually every week. Okay, so we have the 62% retracement of this swing down. If it continues up, we have 111.38 as next resistance, which is 78.6% retracement. If it breaks there, looking for new highs on that one, or at least a test of highs. Dell, looks a little sloppy here. I don't really see anything. ERTS, a nice little short-term uptrend here. Still watching. I believe we went over this a couple weeks ago maybe, and we got the high here at 21.05 to pay attention to. Jabeel Circuit, JBL. Now, the person that wrote this in asked me if this was a Head and Shoulders. I don't see it, so I'm just going to do the super obvious analysis. The 50-day is resistance, and these lows down here at 1846 is support. I mean, it's just real basic analysis. I don't really see a pattern there. Okay, here's JEC, Jacobs Engineering Group, watching these highs to be tested here. Got a nice bounce off the 89 EMA. That's where I think this one's going on the short term. And if it can get above there, we got these highs up here at 53.18. So watch those. We already did Potash. Qualcomm. Okay, Qualcomm had back-to-back gaps Wednesday and Thursday. Throw the Fibonacci grid up right here like this. And you can see that 78.6 is right above at 57.86. Watch that, because if it holds, we could get a turn back down and to fill these gaps. So I'd be watching that 78.6% retracement. Pretty good. Rare elements. Watch the 50-day moving average for potential support. That's what I'm looking at for that. And finally, Yoku, which I definitely spelled wrong. Okay, Yoku, real nice move here. And then it got parabolic. So right now it's digesting. Watch the 20 EMA here, which is rising very sharply. So if price continues to fall and this continues to rise, they'll meet right eventually. So watch that 20 EMA on Yoku. That's it. Any questions or any stocks, indexes, ETFs, currencies, whatever you want me to look at, feel free to email me, and I will put it on the list and do it in next week's viewer request. Take care. See you in the next video, which will more than likely be 4X, and then we will do the watch list probably late Saturday or late Sunday.